In making this layout, I did a little technique, and I thought that some of you might want to see how it was done. And the area that I'm talking about, we're going to zoom in, is right down here where I put part of this paper strip over the tab and part of it behind the tab, and I want to show you how I did that, because it can get a little bit tricky with the drop shadows. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn this layer off, and here is the original layer for this strip of border paper. What I'm going to do is get my rectangular marquee tool, and I'm just going to select the area that I want to go over the tab. I'm going to make sure that this border layer is the active layer, and I'm going to hit Control J on the keyboard to create a new layer. Now you can already see that this layer is here, and it's already troublesome because you can see this drop shadow that has appeared. Okay, let's go ahead now and move this new layer so it is above the tab. And now you can see it really taking effect, but there we have that annoying drop shadow. And so here's how I got rid of that. I'm going to take this new layer, I'm going to right click and choose Simplify. Now that it is simplified, the drop shadow that is on that layer is now part of the layer itself. And so if at this point I go and I get my marquee tool and I just simply make the selection where that drop shadow is and hit delete on my keyboard, and there's actually, I see a little arrow area on the other side. Now it's taken care of. And it retains that extra drop shadow in there. You'll see as I zoom out that's necessary to give it that depth to make it look like it's higher than the rest of the paper, like almost like it's bent up and onto the tab itself. So have fun doing this technique. You'll find lots of times where you can tuck something partway underneath and partway over, and please ask if you have any questions.